Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and what do we have here but a Challenger 1970. I thought this might be Sean's car, but this is Glenn's car. Sean doesn't have the black hood. I don't think he's put stripes on his hood. I don't think his car is ready. 383 4-barrel. Got headers on it. Check out that fan shroud, man. Aluminum radiator. A nice set of aftermarket heads on it.
You should have said, unless you want me to have them here.
Aftermarket wheels, styles like the old rally, Mopar rally wheels. This paint on this car is something else. That's just a quick visual now. I haven't done a thorough inspection on it, but it looks to me like that's a pretty decent paint job. I love that shifter. Old pistol grip converted over to that slapstick. Oh, I've always loved these spoilers they put on these cars. That's the way you do it. I think I did this car at the Power Tour. Not the Power Tour, at Good Guys. This car looks familiar. Love those taillights on this car. Man, is that cool or what? Let's get a look on the inside. You've never seen the inside of a Challenger. See where it says slapstick down at the bottom?
You had, except for the color. This brings back.
Oh, we got aftermarket gauges in there. I just noticed that. Pardon me, ladies. Oh, you're fine, you're fine. All right, there we go, folks. Pan back and get a look at this.
She's reliving the one she had.
Oh, did you have one of these?
I did.
Oh, you're lucky. How about that? I've always wanted one. I can't never afford one.
If I knew then what I knew now,
Yeah.
I still have it.
What year was yours?
1972.
72, okay. That's a good year.
It's red with a white top.
Really? Wow. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I bet you do wish you still had that.
Oh, gosh. We both wish we had the same. Myself and Mary
Yeah, well, I've let a few go. I know how it is. All right, folks, I'm going to turn you loose here.